Hey everyone, I made it into the at-home store looking at some new Easter decor. I do see a few new items. Of course, look at this bunny wreath right here. Would you want to call that a wreath? It's like Easter hoedown, they're calling it, for $49.99, so 50. I love stuff like that. And the little burlap bow. They do have the ducklings out. So the large one will be 8 and 5 over here. And I know we've seen these really cute. They're like giving me like old fashioned, like if I'm in my grandma's house, you know what I mean? A grandma who likes to sew. I feel like that. She goes in their house. They have a little girl one. They're $10, so $9.99. And $29.99 for that bunny wreath, $30. I like how the eggs are all around it. And 40. You know what? I'm looking for something really similar like this for the door. So there's a few Easter in the front in this location. This one is 20. I can't believe that was all they have. This one's 20, so I made it into a different location. Normally the location I go to, they're always filled in. Look at that one with the big bunny ears. These are $4. Are they like paper mache?
They look like
yeah, they're very lightweight. And here's a newspaper bunny for 10. Okay. Is that cute? And right here will be 15. And these bunnies are $8. Oh, those are new. And $5.99 for this yellow one. This one's a little different too. Let me pick it up real quick. And these bunnies, they look like they're cracked. They're 15. Well, 15 for the large and 13 for the medium. Here's a little wreath right here for 25. It is really nice. I kind of feel like it should have like maybe a little bee hidden in there. It's giving me like bee vibes. Smile. Oh, there's a few more bunnies. Oh, this one has the bees on it. Okay. The egg with the bees is 10. But look at that mushroom in the back, you guys. I have no idea where that came from. But that's gonna be 25. That one's an outdoor decor. We have gnomes, a little bee box. That's kind of cool. Peter Rabbit, organic bunny feed. We have your yellows. One says Happy Easter on it. These are 20. The throws are $10. I see pink and kind of like a mustard yellow. This yellow one is only 10. If you love this fuzzy, they're 15. Okay, these are cute. Welcome to our pool. For 25, we have the watermelon lemonade. That one's only 13. Then welcome with the sandals, the flip flop. That's kind of cute actually. 20. Hello summer. It's all cool at the pool. Oh, check this one out. It's like a garden stepping stone, or more like decor. Watermelon and lemon is 15. I like that. Oh, I love this little birdie house. This way to fun. Oh, these are cute pillows. I wonder where they keep them. Good day, sunshine. And look at the pinwheels. Those are 5. They're like a watermelon decked out. Okay, I know we've seen these before. Like, you grow girl, plant summer buds. Don't make me put my foot down. And these are 10. They're wood. And the garden pick are 7. Oh, they have a popsicle today, like an orange sickle. Ooh, doesn't that sound like really good? I'm more like a sherbet person when we get like really, really hot. Oh, grow up. I like that. Okay, I found the pillows here. Let's find out if I can find a price for them. Oh, I don't see one, but they have like the lime, lemon. Here is a watermelon one. And the strawberry. Oh, there's no price on them. Maybe a blood orange? I don't know. There's a tangerine. And the flamingos are $21.99. And look at them with the snorkel. Okay, those are new. And I did find some patriotic, so Memorial Day or 4th of July. I feel like it's really, really early. We're still in February. We're not in March. But they do have it out. Okay. Okay, these are really cute. Look at them for $45. A little leaf shade. Ooh, I like this right here. These are only 20. I feel like these would have cost more in Home Goods. The fish. It's like namaste outside. Unwind. And then I found more of the gnomes. Look at him in the little wagon. That's so cute. Let me go down here. I think everything here is gonna be for outdoor garden. Like, look at this guy. That little lazy man. Living the life. Are these solar? They're 22. They're kind of cute. Oh gosh. Little crab man. I never seen this one. Maybe we have. Oh, she's new. And you have the lion too as well. I like him. I like him. He's cute. I really do like this one. I can't wait to see the toads, you guys, in the summertime. They're my favorite. They're dangerous. Watch out. These are 20. They're kind of cool how they have like designs on them. There's a mushroom one. I'm trying to look for it that we see up front. Oh, this one has his mouth open. He's so gnarly. What is the dad's name?
Oh,
Crush. Dude.
Sweet.
I've never seen the deer, right? This is a new one, I think.
I've never seen that either. Is that an elk?
I don't know. I just call him a deer. Oh, there's the bears. Welcome at the bottom. They're cute. And look at, they have a large tortoise. I really want a tortoise. I always wanted one. My kids would have it. Their kids would have it, you know? And the fairies are 40. Oh, there's a cactus one. I feel like maybe you could paint this. You can. So you could paint it like different colors, like hot pink and maybe like a teal or just like an all green one. Might be a fun project for the front yard. Oh, look at his friend.
I wish he wasn't wearing modern clothes though. Kind of wish he was wearing like gnome clothes.
What are gnome clothes?
Like this.
I don't know. I feel like, is there anything like gnome clothes? That one's gonna light up too. These are really cool. They're 7. Little outdoor stuff like steak. They have multiple colors to choose from. Plenty of garden flags. Welcome, be kind. Hello, summer.
Shopping at your favorite home decor superstore just got more rewarding with the at-home credit card. Apply today and purchase.
Cool butterfly. These are $40 and really colorful. This larger one on top will be $45 and $25. And down here it looks like more like summerish vibes. Yeah, they have deck rolls, porch rolls. Welcome to the pool again. The hummingbird's cool. Oh, look at that for 20. Want a crab on your wall for outdoor. I have yet to see like anything like that. Normally we see like the lizard, the sun, and quail.
I would like to open up a crab shop on the beach called I Got Crabs.
Okay.
Just to see if anybody comes.
Yeah, normally I find this. You can find this. This colorful one, $29.99. Yeah, pineapple. Look at that large one for $80. And vases, so many to choose from. Actually, I did a video like years ago on this, and honestly, it is the same. Only very few are new, but they always have that mosaic, silver, gold, multiple colors here. Again, if you can't find it at Home Goods, you gotta come to the At Home store. Drinkware, glassware, of course they're made in Mexico. These are $7. Sometimes, honestly, I do feel like their glassware might be a little more expensive compared to Hobby Lobby and Home Goods. $25 here, and that is for a 16 count. You can get 10 for 15. These are plastic, but yeah, they have melamine here. They just have so many options. The store is huge. It goes on forever. Oh look, we just seen these watermelons in Burlington. They're 25 here. Wow. So 25 for one is honestly really pricey. Sometimes Burlington splits them up. So if they're split up, this might be 14. If they're not split up, I think it's like 24. And it comes with like little extra dishes, which would be cheaper to get it all together. But you know, for them to make more money, they split them up. A Alright, you guys, I think I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here in this location. Everything else is outdoor. Like rows, and there's like rows, nothing but cushion. Please stay safe, and I will see all of you in the next one.